Hello everyone, welcome back to Matt's World DIY. I have for you today 10 items on Amazon that might be great ideas for your pet friends or your pet family members this year for Christmas. And I have links in the description below on all these items. If you're interested in checking them out, please go in there in the description, check it out, and hopefully you'll find something that is of some value to you and you think that your pet might be interested in. So without any further delay, let's get to it. The first thing I want to show you is a rolling pet carrier that is airport or airline approved. If you are planning trips that you would like to take your little pup or your kitten, your feline, this might be a great option for you. It's 23% off right now. So for $45.99, you can get it marked down from $59.99. If you're transporting your pets on an airline or a bus or in your vehicle, this would be a great option to make sure that they are secured and safe. And I would highly recommend you check it out. The next item we're going to look at also involves pet transport, but this is a dog bike trailer that you can connect to your bicycle. And I know a lot of people like to go outdoors, but they don't want to bring their little pets with them, roaming around loose in case they get lost, get away, or there's some sort of dangers that, they might get bit by a snake or something. I don't know, whatever. If you're out taking a bike ride, this might be a really great option for you. It's made by a very reliable brand, Schwinn, and it's $192. Now let's look at tidying up a little bit. This Litter Robot 3 Core Bundle by Whisker is a really high trending item right now this year. These are very, very popular. I don't have a cat, but I have some friends who do have cats, and they tell me that the cleanup part is one of the worst parts of having a cat after all the clawing and all that kind of fun stuff. So anyway, but these are a really good deal right now. It's 7% off. It's $649 down from $699. Very popular trending item this year. So you might want to check that out. Next, if you have a puppy that you're training or you have an elderly dog or whatever your situation might be where you find you might need some puppy pads, pee pads to lay them out. They're leak proof. They're quick dry. It's a great seller. It's a very popular #1 seller right now, $27 for a pack of 100. That's a really, really good deal. And they come in both unscented and scented, so you have options. I don't know. I seem to think that if you go unscented, that might be the better route because you know that there's no extra stuff in there that might create some issues for your little friend. Okay, next, let's talk about eating. I have a dog that's a gobbler. Tattoo just gobbles his food up, and sometimes it gives him some tummy issues. Here is a #1 bestseller, the Outward Hound Fun Feeder Slow Bowl. This is a great strategy to slow your dog's eating down because they have to eat around all the little walls and stuff that are built into the bowl. And it's down 7%, down to $20. And your dogs actually might enjoy the challenges that this brings. Now they come in different puzzle shapes, colors, and all this kind of stuff. So I think that's a pretty good deal, $20. Next, if you are leaving and you think you might be missing mealtime, but you want to stay connected with your pet, whether it's a cat or a dog, this automatic pet feeder for cats or dogs is another option for you. It's down 15%. It's $84.99 down from $99.99. It allows you to have two-way audio as well as a 2K camera video recording, and it's programmable and it will dispense food for you. You can use the app on your phone to control anything like dispensing, or you can put it on a timer, whichever the case might be. I think this is another great option for your pet this season. If you are concerned that your dog or cat or whatever might get out and run away or just get on the loose, there are some really great escape artist animals that I know of out there. This GPS tracker might be a good option for you. It also monitors the health of your dog, and it is down 30% to $34.99. I think that's a great investment, down from the $49.99 or $50 price tag originally. So inside the box, you get the GPS tracker. You also get a charger and a rubber clip that makes it easy to connect to your your dog's collar, if it's a dog that you have that you're thinking about. Now, there is a subscription to pay, but the subscription can go down. It's, let me see, $20 a month if you pay by the month. If you pay like by the year or a longer out, then the monthly cost goes down. It might be worth the investment for you if you have a little escape artist on your hands. Another one is the Benny Bone Wishbone Durable Dog Chew for a chew toy for aggressive chewers. I have an aggressive chewer on my hands. Tattoo loves to chew, and it's good in a sense that it's great for their teeth and their gums and their dental health. This is only $9.03. I do caution anybody who is using chew toys for their animals. In almost every case, they're going to recommend that you monitor the pet while they're chewing, just in case a piece breaks off or something like that. Whenever I have Tattoo chewing on his chew toy, I'm always watching him, and I'm very vigilant as far as if there's a risk of him breaking something off, I'm going to be on top of that. And these do come in different flavors. There's bacon, chicken, or peanut. You may not have thought that you could get pet food on Amazon, but Fancy Feast by Purina is a really popular, this is a bestseller, the Fancy Feast Poultry and Beef Classic Feast pate collection. It's grain free. And I have a friend who has a cat, and this is one of the treats that she loves to feed her cat. And her cat has a very discriminating palate. I don't think that cat likes any seafood and that type of stuff, but will go crazy over the poultry. So this does come in a variety of flavors if you wanted, and it's $21.34. This is a #1 bestseller. Our last number 10, which is another #1 bestseller, is Temptations Mix-Ups Crunchy and Soft Cat Treats. This particular one is a catnip fever flavor, but a 16-ounce tub will cost you $8.06. And you could use a coupon to get 50% off on your first subscription. If you decide to go ahead and put in a subscription where you'll have a recurring order, then you can save 50% that way. I know that my friend, her cat really, really enjoys it. So those are 10 pet related gifts that you might want to consider getting for your pet friends, cats or dogs or whatever, for this holiday season. Now, the deals are always changing, so stay on it. I have links in the description that you can check out these items directly. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, happy holidays to you and your pet friends. See you next time.